Hello and welcome to Calculus 3 Online 2024. I think you guys are a little crazy, a little out of your mind maybe to be taking this class online. I hope you enjoy it. It's going to be a little bit intense. These are some powerful topics, and at the end of the class, you'll be able to handle some really powerful physics and economics and other areas if you so choose. But it's packed into basically 5 weeks of learning and then a final exam. So it is a little intense. Let me know how things are going as the semester goes on. We can always communicate over email. I plan to use Flip as well. I have not used that since it was called Flipgrid years ago. So there may be some hiccups with that, but I'm planning to use that for our class as well. Please take advantage of that. There are a few things that I feel I need to really press onto you. First, this class, because it's not going to last very long, you'll need some pretty intense focus. I think that's pretty self-explanatory, but you just imagine a typical class, Calculus 3 class, packed down into 1/3 of the time. You got to be pretty focused. Number two, the most annoying thing about this class for you and for me is making sure that we have test security, quiz security. So there's a process that I'm going to need you to go through that just requires you to go through a list of instructions, and I'm going to provide you guys with a PDF description of that, a video example of that, and I'll also set up a practice quiz for you guys where you can just only practice going through the instructions. So it shouldn't be too big of a deal for almost all of you. If you're one of the lucky few for whom it just doesn't make sense or whatever, we'll just need to get together and make sure that we nail it down, because if you don't go through that and I can't verify that we have test security, then I just can't grade your test or your quiz. So let's make sure to take care of that soon. And then last, I need you to look at the syllabus, read through it, make sure you're familiar, not with all the technical description of the class and everything, or the long list of there's a long list of paragraphs at the end of the document that's on every syllabus at our campus. But I need you to make sure that you understand how your grade is going to be determined, when your assignments need to be turned in, how you're going to do that. So make sure you follow the calendar on the syllabus. I'm just going to assume that you guys are adults and that you don't need me to remind you every time you need to turn in an assignment, but I will set up a remind. We'll use the Remind app for our class. If you would like to be reminded of when assignments are due, that's another way that you can reach out to me as well. There are a lot of other things that you'll need to know about the class. Most of those are in the syllabus, and others you'll just have to learn as you go. But please feel free to reach out to me as often as you want, as late as you want. I will not get notifications, when I don't want to get notifications. So don't worry about bothering me with that. I'm looking forward to seeing what you guys do this semester. It's always fun to see how students grow. And I hope that at the end of this class and moving forward, you'll take what you've learned here and use it to just make our society a little better somehow. So welcome. I hope you enjoy the class. Best of luck to you.